I realized one thing the hard way. If you want to study, study something that you're really passionate about or study something that you're really good at, instead of caring about the society and what they think about you. I knew I was good at IT and I wanted to learn something in business. While doing research, I stumbled upon the course BCIS, which is a hybrid combination course of both IT and business, and it was my cup of coffee. So I joined Apex College because it had 2 decades of experience in this program. Fast forward to today, life at Apex is not only about studies, it's about extracurricular activities and clubs too. I joined Apex Media Club in 2018. Fast forward to today, I'm the president of Apex Media Club. In these past few years, I've learned so much more than what BCIS course offered. We organized Apex Short Movie Festival, which is about movie making, and then Smile Festival, which is all about photography contest. These are the moments that I cherish here at Apex College. From working in a team to becoming a team leader, this is what life at Apex is all about. The growth I've received here at Apex College in every aspect of life is significant, and I would not want to trade anything in life for these few years that I've spent here at Apex College.